Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting by powering down the headset and getting each controller ready. First, hold the headset power button until it fully shuts off so the link resets. Then remove the controller battery cover and confirm the AA battery orientation. Good contact matters. Next, open the Oculus app on your phone or PC and go to Devices, then Controllers, so you can see paired units. Once done, you're ready to unpair one controller without interrupting the other controller's state. Now focus on removing the specific controller. In the app's Devices list, tap the controller entry you want to disconnect, then choose Forget or Unpair and confirm. This removes the Bluetooth pairing record. After the app confirms, physically remove the AA battery and wait 5 seconds to clear residual charge. Reinsert the battery briefly only if you need to reset LED behavior. Otherwise, leave it out while you prepare for reconnection. Make sure the headset remains. To reconnect, power the headset on and open the Oculus app to the controller's pairing section so it's actively searching. Then press and hold the controller's Oculus button plus menu simultaneously until the LED flashes, which signals pairing mode. The app should detect and complete the pairing. Once paired, test inputs in a quick app or menu. If pairing fails, make sure the battery is fresh, restart the headset and app, and try again. These steps resolve most Bluetooth hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.